In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify Personalization. Personalization lets your customers add their own text to your design while you stay in control of how it looks. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. First, open your browser and search for Printify. In the results, click the official Printify website. Once you're there, log in to your account using your usual method. After you're signed in, head to your dashboard and open the My Products tab. This is where all of your existing designs live. Find the item you want to update. If you have a lot of products, the search bar or filters will speed this up. Click the product to open it in the editor. You'll see your design layers and a preview of the item. On the right-hand side, look for the Layers panel. Select the specific layer you want customers to personalize, usually a text layer like a name or date. Next to that layer, you'll see a personalization toggle. Turn it on. This tells Printify that shoppers can type their own content for that layer during checkout. If the layer is text, decide how much freedom you want to give. You can lock the font so your branding stays consistent, and lock the position so customers can change only the words, not the layout. This is great for keeping everything aligned and avoiding surprises in production. Leave the content area clear and intentional, and use a contrasting color so previews are easy to read. If your design has multiple editable spots, repeat this process for each relevant text layer. Take a moment to preview the product in different variants, like sizes or colors, to ensure the personalized text remains legible and properly placed. When everything looks right, choose how you want to finalize it. Click Publish to push the updated product live to your connected store, or choose Save as Draft if you want to review it later or test additional options before going live. That's it. You've enabled personalization on your product while keeping full control over design consistency. By guiding customers to edit only what matters, you'll reduce support issues and prevent misprints. Open your browser, log in, go to My Products, pick the item, toggle personalization on the right for the correct layer, lock font or position for text as needed, and then publish or save as a draft. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to offer customized products with confidence.